How to sneeze into a Kleenex properly. Step 1. Look for the nearest Kleenex box. If you feel like you're about to sneeze, look around and look for the nearest Kleenex box. Step 2. Try to put the Kleenex not too low and not too high. Just aim for the middle and then sneeze. And there you go. Step 3. Throw the Kleenex away in the garbage once you're done with it. Step 4. Then continue to keep on what you were doing from before. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.